Has your Instagram account been disabled? Don't panic. While it's frustrating, there are steps you can take to recover it. Let's walk through the process. First, it's important to understand why your account was disabled. Instagram typically disables accounts for violating their community guidelines or terms of service. This might include things like posting inappropriate content, using third-party apps to gain followers, or engaging in spammy behavior like mass following or unfollowing. But sometimes, accounts are disabled by mistake, so don't assume the worst. When you try to log in and your account is disabled, you'll see a message explaining the issue. If the reason is clear, you'll know whether you violated any rules. If you believe it's a mistake, Instagram offers a chance to appeal the decision. You'll find an option to request a review directly on the login screen. Tap Learn More to begin the appeal process. Now, when you click Request Review, you'll be asked to fill out a form where you can explain why you believe your account was wrongfully disabled. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible and be honest in your explanation. If you've violated any policies, acknowledge the mistake and assure them it won't happen again. This shows Instagram you're willing to follow the rules moving forward. In some cases, Instagram may ask for additional verification to confirm your identity, like a photo of yourself holding a code they send you. This step helps them ensure you're the rightful account owner. Be sure to follow these instructions exactly, as missing any detail could delay the process. Once your appeal is submitted, Instagram will review your case. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the volume of requests they're processing. Unfortunately, there's no set time frame, so be patient. If your account is reinstated, congratulations!